Okay, next topic, cell definitions. Okay, when you say cell definitions, for example, say I have a query. Let's say I build a formula on it. I got sales amount. I got another formula which is amount after sales tax. So I'm just putting a 0, nothing else. So when I have a formula like this, does it show 0 on the entire column now? When you build a calculate key field, it does perform the same calculation on entire column. So do I get 0 in the entire, means what? When you build a calculate key figure or formula, it does perform same calculation throughout the columns. But what if we have a requirement where in each cell I would like to have a different logic? For example, Cubex as a whole, my sales tax percentage, let's say it's 12.36, and for retailer it is again 12.36, but for web it should be 10.3, because it is for online sales. Let's say the sales tax is only 10.36. So in that case, when I need to calculate here, I cannot fix the calculation as 12.36 on the entire column. For each cell I need to perform a different calculations. Now that is where we go with cell definitions. But you'll be able to perform cell definition. Look at this, is the icon here for cell definition. Is this enabled now? Yes, enabled. So I can click this out. Yes, and that gets enabled only when we have two structures in a report. Otherwise, no. Cell definitions can be formulated only when we have two structures in a report. Otherwise, no. Yeah. So what I'll do now. Now I've got structure 1. I've got structure 2, and I would like to modify this column values. I'll go ahead in cell definitions. It does open up a screen like this. Let's say what is the logic you want in this cell here. I need to refer the value of this cell, and on top of this I need to calculate, deduct 12.36 from it. So what I'll do now, I'll select this cell, right click, say what, new cell reference. So for this cell I'm just giving some reference name, and use this name into this calculation. Now right click on this cell and say what, new formula. Right click, say edit. What is the formula you want? No dim of sales amount from the reference cell minus no dim of into okay. I'm just checking. This gets closed here, this gets closed. Done this. Okay. Now same I need to have cell reference here, and this cell value should be let's say 11.36 it is. Now it's a new formula. Right click edit. mm, no dim of this value minus parenthesis no dim of this value into it is 11.36 divided by 100. Okay, boss, done. Again, I want reference of this cell. I need to refer to the value of this cell. So I'm just creating a reference. Now right click and send new form. Web minus $10.36. That's it. So as it is, your new formula will show 0, and the cell definitions will go and override that 0 with the percentages what we calculated. So this is the values now which is being deducted. Clear? So like this, we can use cell definitions to define logic at each cell level. This is called a cell definitions. Clear? That's it. But if you got to work with cell definitions, at least mandatory rule is 2 structures must be there in the query. Done.